trees. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Wharton County in southeastern Texas, South Central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, West Central Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, Northeastern Matagorda County in southeastern Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Boling-Iago, or 13 miles northwest of West Columbia, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Angleton, West Columbia, Danbury, Holiday Lakes, Bailey's Prairie, Liverpool, Bonnie, Boling-Iago, and Damon. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.